to Math Made Easy with Frida. Today we will be solving these problems, and the solutions to these kind of problems are usually with radicals. So let's just get into it. We have 9x squared plus 11 is equal to 27. Let's start. We start off with, to write this equation down, is equal to 27. By subtracting 11 on both sides, we get 9x squared is equal to 16. All right, divide by 9 on both sides, and we get x squared is equal to 16 over 9. Now, when you reach this stage, the best thing to do is take the square root of both sides. But when you do get the square roots, you will be getting positive and negative answers. So x will be equal to positive or negative. The square root of 16 is 4. The square root of 9 is 3. And that will be your answer. Let's work out one more so you get used to these kind of problems. Let's start. 3x squared. Take the 8 to that side of the equation. We get 56 minus 8. So 3x squared is equal to 48. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. And we get 16 here. So x squared is equal to 16. Square root on both sides gives me x is equal to plus or minus 4, and you get two solutions for this problem. Next one, x squared is equal to 200. This is simple. To make this easier, let's write down all the factors of 200. There are different ways to draw factors of a number. This is my favorite way. Other people have the tree method, but we still get the same solution. 25, 5, and 5. So let's list all the factors of 200. They are, and put them in pairs so we'll be able to get the square root easily. That's 2 squared into 5 squared, and we're left with a 2 into 2. So now x squared is equal to this. Taking the square root on both sides, we get x will be equal to, these will be 2 into 5, and 2 will remain under the square root sign, and this becomes positive and negative. So x will be equal to positive or negative 10 root 2. That's your solution. The next one, x squared is equal to 25. That's very simple. X squared will be equal to the square root of 25, positive or negative. All right, and 25 is equal to 5 squared, so x is equal to positive or negative 5, and that's your answer. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching Math Made Easy with Frida. Till next time, bye.